This one's for you, truck driver. You keep coming back, telling me, man, I love your music. Man, you need to go on tour. You don't understand, your music do something to me. And every time you say it, I hear you. So this one right here, this one's for you. Yeah. Yeah. You out there riding with the highway lines, May Rose playing while you're putting in miles. Another long road, another long night, my music riding with you under them lights. You keep coming back with a word from me, saying, May Rose, you got something people need. And you might not know what them words can do, but every time you encourage me, I remember you. This one's for you, truck driver, rolling down them highways and byways. May Rose riding through your speakers, keeping you company along the way. And if you hear something that moves you, go on and tell another driver too. 'Cause if 100 more truck drivers listen like you do, baby, May Rose might just break on through. You said, man, you need to go on tour. You said I keep coming back for more. You said my music do something to your soul, and those are the kind of words that keep an artist going. I make these songs right here from home, never knowing just how far they're on. Then here you come back and remind me again, somewhere on that highway my music got a friend. This one's for you, truck driver, rolling down them highways and byways. May Rose riding through your speakers, keeping you company along the way. And if you hear something that moves you, go on and tell another driver too. 'Cause if 100 more truck drivers listen like you do, baby, May Rose might just break on through. So tell them truckers about me, tell them put May Rose on. When the road gets long and you need a good song, and to every driver away from home tonight, may God watch over you and bring you back alright. This one's for you, truck driver. Keep rolling safe along your way. Thank you for listening to my music. Thank you. Thank you for believing in May Rose. Every highway, every byway, every mile you gotta go through, May Rose loves and prays for the truck drivers. But this one right here, truck driver, this one's for you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for the encouragement, and thank you for believing in my music. Now go tell them other truck drivers about May Rose. I need about 100 more, just like you.